equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on cleaning the motor of your Thermomix TM5. This process is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your appliance. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, a small brush, and some warm soapy water. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. This will give you clear access to the motor area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the base is off, you'll see the motor. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue around the motor. It's important to be gentle to avoid damaging any components. For the hard-to-reach areas, the small brush will be your best friend. Gently brush away any debris that may have accumulated. Now, let's focus on the internal parts. If you notice any grease or stubborn stains, dip your cloth in warm soapy water and wring it out thoroughly. You want it damp, not soaking wet. Carefully clean the internal surfaces, ensuring no moisture gets into the motor itself. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, allow the motor area to dry completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues. While you wait, take a moment to inspect the screws and ensure they are not stripped or damaged. If they are, it's best to replace them before reassembling. Once everything is dry, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Before you plug it back in, double-check that all components are in their correct positions. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully cleaned your Thermomix motor. Regular maintenance like this will help extend the life of your appliance and keep it running at peak performance. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to maintain your kitchen appliances. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.